Well, we're finally back here at the sawmill, and after about 3 years of wanting one of these, I finally have a proper DSLR camera here for the mill to make videos on. And hopefully this should improve the quality of the videos here. I've lost a ton of footage over the past few years due to focusing and not really getting the scene I was wanting because the camera was really just kind of inexpensive and it got me through, but it really didn't have the features that I needed to do the quality of work I'm trying to put out. But right now I'm doing some video on today, and the footage you already saw is some stuff that happened the other day here at the mill unloading some hemlock logs. I did a little bit of footage showing that, just testing this camera out. I'm getting ready to go across town right now to where that big walnut tree is, and if you've wondered why I've not done that yet as far as cutting it down, we've had nothing but rain here for the past week or so. I've had some other things going on that kept me from going over there, but probably tomorrow I should be able to get over there and get that thing cut down. I've got 14 walnut logs over there on the ground right now we're going to haul back today on the trailer, or the biggest part of them. And there's also a real nice pecan tree that came down with the storm. He's going to give me that one as well. And I'm not sure when we'll get those things on the sawmill. Like I said, I'm just taking the camera today to do some test footage of this camera and get used to all the settings and see what kind of quality we're going to get out of these videos now. And if you're wondering what kind of camera it is, it's a Canon 77D. And what I was using before was a Canon Rebel, and it was pretty inexpensive. It was good to get started with, but I was ready to move up to a better camera, and I'm hoping this one, based on the test footage I've done so far, should be what I've been wanting for a long time. The biggest upgrade with this camera is I can look at this camera when I'm talking like this and see what it's recording. It's got one of these viewfinders that flip around and articulates toward you so you can look at yourself while you record. So that's a real big plus here. So anyways, guys, got the trailer loaded up. Where's the trailer at? Right here. Getting used to this right here. It's all new, getting used to this. Finally be able to see what I'm recording here, so bear with me. Got the trailer loaded up. We'll head up there, and he's waiting on me with that John Deere, so we'll have no problem loading those logs up today. And that's really nice when you get logs like that and there's a tractor nearby. It saves a lot of the work and the time out of loading them by hand or with a winch. So anyways, hang out with us here, guys. We'll see what happens on this footage and see what kind of video we come out with. And one more side note here before I get started. I think we're about 7 days away from the t-shirts getting here. And I got an email from the company about 2 days ago that they're already in production. So I think about 7 more business days they should be here. And I'll do a video telling you guys they've arrived, and we'll put them in the mail that day, and you guys should be getting them. And you guys internationally, I've got to send some to Germany and Ireland and Europe, I believe. It might be a little bit longer on you guys, but I'll try to get a tracking number to you and see how that works out. And I'm working on getting some hats. My wife designed some. They look really nice, and I'm hoping that company will provide me with a few samples here in a few weeks. Probably do a giveaway on some of them on the first ones I get. I'm hoping to get some hats here in the next few weeks. If you guys are interested in the hats, let me know in the comments below, because I'm not sure how many I should even order of those. So anyways, guys, let's get to it and get this camera going. So one more thing here, guys, before we get going. I know I keep on saying one more thing. We're never going to get out of here today. Right here at the kiln, and that same load of lumber is drying I showed last week, the 5/4 and the 8/4 walnut. Everything's going fine. This little portion of the video is not about the kiln or the lumber drying, but it's about what I found behind the kiln this morning. I think it's kind of interesting. So back here behind the kiln, where the control center is a small 5-gallon bucket. And that collects that water that comes out of the kiln every day. It shows you how much water is coming out of the wood. I check that water periodically throughout the day, actually more than I probably need to be doing. And I come out this morning, there was something in the bottom of that bucket, and I thought it was a frog, but it wasn't a frog. So we'll take a look. As you can see, we've got a bat down in the bucket. A bat in the bucket. Tried to get him out of there sometime today. I think he's dead.